Hello everyone, this is Suresh Kumar. I am from Raichuri, Andhra Pradesh. I recently completed a 15 days LMS OG program from Efficient TechnoServe, and it was a very valuable experience for me. The course was well structured and covered important topics like networking, Windows administration, Linux, cyber security, and more. Each module was prepared in a simple and practical way, making it easy to understand even the beginners. I recorded sessions were especially helpful as I could watch them at my own pace of review whenever I needed. I training were acknowledgeable and explained every concept with real-time examples, giving a perfect balance between theory and practical learning. I have recently joined Aventel Global Advisory Private Limited, where package is 3 lakhs per annum, and this was possible because of the support of guidance I mentioned TechnoSir. Thanks for Action TechnoSir and helping me build my skills and start my career. Okay, thank you.